What is up, guys? I'm Frankie Garcia. You might know me from the Moto America King of the Bagger series. I'm building my custom ultimate performance bagger. I'm starting with a stock 2023 Road Glide ST, and in just a few short weeks, I'm gonna completely transform this thing. Today, we're installing an all new set of foot controls. I've gone through and handpicked new footboards and shift controls that fit my riding style and the look I'm going for with this build. Let's get these on my bike and I'll show you just how easy they are to install. Okay, so today we're gonna install the Dominion footboards, Dominion shifter peg, Dominion passenger pegs, Dominion large brake pedal pad, and the black heel shifter. Let's start with the footboards. So I'm gonna start off by removing the stock rider footboard, which is just 2 bolts here on the bottom. We're going to replace that with this Dominion footboard. The Dominion footboard set actually comes with longer bolts, and we're gonna utilize these, but we're also gonna keep the stock nuts off of the stock footboards, and it's as simple as that, really. I'm just taking an Allen and a 7/8 wrench and pulling these off, and just like that, the stock footboard is off. Grab our longer bolts, like I said, utilize the stock nuts, slide the bolts in, and we're just gonna tighten them up. And just like that, we're on. So now we're gonna put on the Dominion passenger foot pegs. It's really simple. We're gonna throw the peg on. We already have the mount on the bike, and we're gonna run the pin through, run the shims in, and then put the circlip on the backside. And then from there, we're going to tighten it up to where the peg is flat in the passenger's riding position and button it all up, and pretty easy. So we got our passenger pegs put on. Now we're gonna go over to the other side of the bike and get the other footboard on, as well as the heel toe shifter. So we moved over to the left side of the bike, and we already got the rider footboard put in place. Now we're gonna move on to the heel shifter. So what this is gonna entail is us removing the shifter and taking the sleeve off of the shaft, and then we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the shifter and slide that further in, and the heel shifter is gonna sit on that same shaft. So I'll be able to shift down with my toe and shift up with my heel and never touch the top of my shoe. I'm just gonna start by removing the stock shifter first. So this sleeve here is a spacer between the shaft and the case here, and it spaces out the stock shifter. But now that we're adding the heel shifter, we no longer need that. So now I've just slid the stock shifter in further, and then the heel shifter is gonna slide on that same shaft. And I'm gonna run it really high, that way I can still get my foot in here. And then from here, we're gonna take off the shift tip and replace them with the Dominion shift tips. And that's that easy. Now we have a toe heel shifter. Okay, so we're gonna be installing our Dominion brake pedal pad. And it's pretty simple. We're just gonna start off by removing the stock brake pedal pad, which is just 1 nut underneath here. We're gonna install our Dominion brake pedal pad and use the included hardware, which is 1 bolt and 1 washer, and get that on. It's that easy. So we're starting off by removing this nut here on the bottom of the stock brake pedal pad. There is a washer underneath. Simple as that. Then we'll take our Dominion brake pedal pad and this included plate. It sits right in there. Get it in place and use the included hardware. Tighten it up. It's just that easy. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Frankie Garcia, your favorite bagger racer. Catch you on the next one.